How to use coconut oil for hair growth. Coconut oil is unusual for its incredible ability to penetrate your hair shaft and strengthen hair. This makes it ideal for restoring strength to hair damaged by heat, chemical treatments, or excessive dryness. Depending on your needs, you may use coconut oil before or after washing your hair, or treat your hair to a restorative hair mask. Part 1. Selecting and melting oil. 1. Select virgin or refined coconut oil. 2. Check the label for extraction information. 3. Melt the oil, optional. 4. Brush your hair. Part 2. In your hair. 1. Prevent water damage. 2. Prevent tearing. 3. Restore strength and shine. 4. Tie up your hair. 5. Add heat, optional. 6. Leave the oil in for 1 to 8 hours. 7. Wash your hair. Part 3. On your scalp. 1. Fight scalp infections with coconut oil. 2. Apply coconut anise sprays to head lice. 3. Avoid using coconut oil to treat dandruff. Thanks for watching.